Ready to turbocharge your affiliate game on Pinterest? Step 1. Affiliate marketplaces. Choose from tons of options like ClickBank, Digistore24, and more. Step 2. Niches. Go where the action is. Focus on niches like dating, health, and spirituality. Pick products that genuinely help folks. Step 3. Carousel pins. Pinterest loves M. Generate ideas with ChatGPT. Design M on Canva. And don't forget that killer call to action. Step 4. Pinterest traffic. Create a Pinterest account, use Linktree for safe links, and categorize your pins and boards. Tags are your pals. Step 5. Consistency. Publish 2 to 3 pins daily. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Keep at it. Bonus tip, email marketing. Level up with a landing page to collect emails. A gold mine for future promotions. And that's it. Get out there, pin like a pro, and watch those affiliate earnings soar.